Hi everyone, for today's project we are going to fix this broken love sign. So let's begin our project. So this used to have glass and lights, and they are all broken, and instead of throwing it away, I took a cardboard box and trace it all over and maybe put it on top because it looks so ugly without the cover, and the lights are broken, so we might as well cover that whole area and do something about it to make it prettier, because instead of throwing this away I try to save it, and I would like to see what I can do with it. Okay, so I traced the cardboard box and then I'm gluing it. Okay, I again, of course, my favorite, the glue gun. I just have to glue it all over the front face to cover the light because it's not working anymore, and I try to remove it, but if I try to remove it, the plastic behind, it's gonna be all broken, so I couldn't replace the light. So instead of doing that, I might as well cover the whole area. So I, like what I said, I cut the cardboard, trace it all over and cut it, and now I stick it in. And since again my cutter is not very sharp, so dull, so the edges of the cardboard is not so smooth, and it's very ugly. So I found this sequins that I had it for a long time. I got both gold and silver, but since I spray painted the cardboard into gold, so I try to do the contrast of gold, which is silver, and now I'm sticking it all around the edges so that it doesn't show all this roughness on the edge of this cardboard box. Okay, it's a bit tricky actually to put this sequence because it's all twisted, so it's just gonna be a bit of time consuming, guys, but I'm not gonna show you the whole process of me putting the sequins all over the edge of this project, because then it would at least take us an hour. So I'm just showing you my whole process of doing it, and then I will show you the outcome, and you will be the one who judges me, guys, if is it better to just leave it without the cover, or you like it like this. Please after I show this, comment down below. What do you think? Is it better to leave it there and had a broken light and just put it on a display, or I should keep it like that? Actually, I should have painted or spray painted it into red, the cardboard, but I like to break some rules of, not everything is red. I try to use other color because in DIY there is actually, I don't follow certain rules in DIY, certain color, because that's the whole point of doing DIY. You do as you please, right? Whatever you think makes you happy, what color, at the end of the day it's your choice. What color do you want to put in any of the project? But like what I said, I like to experiment in color, and I try gold for this time because normally it should be red for this love sign for the next Valentine's, right? Valentine's Day. So anyway, it's almost done, guys, and this is the outcome. Okay, which do you think it's better, without the cover, or this is the look before, but it's broken the light. So anyway, that is the outcome of our project for today. And once again, guys, thank you very much for watching. And maybe next time I will show you how I decorate all my Valentine's decoration. I will show you next time after I finish doing my other projects. Okay, thank you very much, and if you like my projects, please give me a thumbs up, and I see you again next time. Bye bye.